Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make extremely easy breakfast bars. So they are gluten-free, they are very healthy, and they are like a version of the baked breakfast bars. So let's get started. So for this recipe I'm using the rye oats because I like them, their flavor and their taste. They're like more rich in flavor. So I have 1.5 cups or 200 grams of rye oats, 2 cups or 500 ml of almond milk, 25 grams or 2 tablespoons of stevia sugar, or you can use regular sugar if you'd like. I'll just made a healthy version and a vegan version of this oats, so I needed to use a replacement for regular sugar. Here I have about 4 dates. I just chopped them, roughly chopped, and 2 tablespoons or 25 grams of chia seeds, and just a bit of the ground cinnamon. So before we'll start doing something, we'll preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and we will set aside the chia because it has to bloom. So what I'll do, so from the milk that I have, I'll take a 1/4 cup of milk and I'll let chia to bloom for about 10 minutes. Now an interesting fact about chia. Yes, so if your chia is good and it's organic, it will start blooming straight away, like in my case. So you see that it's already blooming. If your chia didn't bloom or didn't like change in texture after 15 minutes, probably you'll have to buy a new batch of chia seeds. So I'll let this literally like for 5 minutes. It's entirely up to you. You can add a bit of milk here, but eventually it will go still in the bars. So this is our chia. You see that it's bloomed already. So why I'm using chia? Just to replace the eggs. So the chia, it's a vegan replacement for eggs. Now next step, I'll just put a pinch of cinnamon and I'll just mix it well together with the sugar. I'll transfer it to the milk. Give it a stir for the sugar to dissolve. Add the dates. Adding the chia. And the oats as well. Mix it well until combined. And transfer into a baking tray with parchment paper on the bottom. This will help you easier to remove. And just transfer the mixture inside the tray and put it in the oven for about 45 minutes at 180 degrees. After removing it from the oven, just let it cool a bit, and with a spatula just remove it from the edges, just like this. And on the bottom we have the paper, so it shouldn't be a problem. So you just take the tray and a chopping board, just flip it around, and the bars are ready to be cut. So just remove the paper. Let it cool down completely and cut it into bars. So this was my recipe of baked breakfast bars. They're super easy to make, super delicious, gluten-free and healthy. It's a great substitute for any other bars. I know that they are baked, but basically this is you're replacing a kind of snack with the breakfast, so it's amazing. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday new, interesting and healthy recipes. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.